Homework. Ah, yes, Nana. Only that one only. Running notes is not there. This is the running notes. You should write. Okay. And next, speed of a car is equals to 12.5 meters per second. Yes, here this is in kilometers per hour. This is in meters per second. First, we need to convert these to kilometers per hour. And yesterday only we have discussed about that. So speed of the car is equals to 12.5 meters per second. Rather than that meters per second, we can write kilometers per hour. Yes, we want to write kilometer per hour. So here we can write that one. 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meters per second we can write. Yes. So here, if we want to 1 meter per second is equals to, if we want to write 1 meter per second is equals to, if we transpose this one to left hand side, we'll get 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. Okay, don't get confused. Varsha, are you there, Nana? Varsha is not there today? Okay. 1 meter per second is equals to, here 1 kilometers per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meters per second. At the same time, 1 meter per second is equals to, I am transposing this, so this to left hand side. So 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. Is it okay? So in the place of meters per second, I am writing 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. Okay? Did you understood? Kilometers per hour. Here we have calculated 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meters per second. At the same time, 1 meter per second is equals to, it exactly reciprocal will come. 18 by 5 kilometer per hour we can write. So if we remove this point for each and every digit, we are taking this left side 2 point will take in the denominator, 110 will comes. Okay, multiply with 110. If we remove 1 point here in the denominator, we need to take 10. For 1 point 10 we need to take. Here I am removing this point to this number. Yes, this digit I am taking to the point this side. So at that time I am taking 10 multiplication to the denominator. Yes, I am multiplying the denominator with 10 because I am removing this point. Is it okay now? 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. 2 is the remainder 25. 5 5 is the 25. And here 5 twos are 10. 5 5s are okay. 5 5s are 25. 5 twos are 10. 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. 9 into 5, 45 kilometers per hour. Okay now? Are you getting this? Ashwant? Did you got this? One more time I will tell or else. 12.5 into 18 by 5. Cancellation. So here we... Yes, 5 into 10. So just cancellation, Nana. Here first two table like this also we can do. 2 nines are 18. 2 fives are 10. Okay? First I am taking this one, 2 table. 2 nines are 18, 2 fives are 10. Next 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 25 means 5 fives are 25. And next 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. 9 fives are 45 will get. Dharani, are you getting, Nana? Dharani? Okay, 2 times different in different manner I cancelled. Cancellation, okay? Yes, what is that sound from your side? 45 kilometers per hour. So speed of the car is 45 kilometers per hour. In the given data, speed of the bus is 72 kilometers per hour. So which one is moving faster, children? Which one is moving faster? So therefore, Bus moving faster. Bus moves faster or bus moving faster? Yes, another one I will give you. You can convert like this. Yes, some own problems I will give you. But we will discuss now this question answers. Then afterwards you can complete. Okay na? Question answers we will discuss first. Okay na, children? This lesson is interesting to do problems. Yes, Venkateshwarlu, are you getting so much of interest for doing these problems? Yes. State whether the following statements are true or false. Rewrite the wrong statements correctly. The body can be at rest and in motion at the same time in relation to the same set of surroundings. A body can be at rest and in motion at the same time in relation to the same set of surroundings. Why? What is the correct statement, Venkateshwarlu? For this correct statement, enti? This is correct only, I think. Yatishwar? Yatishwar? Is this correct? Why it is correct? Correct or wrong? Yes. A, a body can be at rest and in motion at the same time in relation to the same set of surroundings. Who is talking? Yatishwar? Are you having study material with you? Yes, check it once. I think it is correct only. Why it is correct means motion is relative to the observer. So if we are sitting inside the car, we can, yes, correct statement only or wrong? What is the correct statement to that? A body. Yes, here we need to take motion only, Nana. A body can be at motion and in motion. Yes, at the same time in relation to the same set of surroundings. Same set of surroundings and different set. Yes, you can write it. Afterwards, you write. Okay, now just we are discussing now. Next one, a passenger flying in an aeroplane is at rest with respect to the airport and moving with respect to the other passengers. So, is this correct? A passenger, just think, children. Just imagine and think, then we'll get a passenger flying in an aeroplane is at rest with respect to the airport. No, because with respect to the airport, the persons are looking like the passenger will be move. Yes, moving like they will feel and moving with respect to that other passenger. That is not wrong, children. Here passenger move అవుతున్నట్టు ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ లోంచి చూస్తే కనబడుతుంది. బట్ పక్కన కూర్చున్న ప్యాసింజర్ కి ఏమనిపిస్తుంది? అట్ రెస్ట్. Here exactly opposite ఇచ్చాడు statement. What is the correct statement for this? A passenger flying is an aeroplane is moving with respect to the airport and at rest with respect to the other passenger. ఇక్కడ రెస్ట్ దగ్గర మూవింగ్ రావాలి, మూవింగ్ దగ్గర రెస్ట్ రావాలి. దట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఈజ్ దిస్ కరెక్ట్, యతీశ్వర్? నేను చెప్పింది కరెక్ట్ కదా? ఎస్. ఇక్కడ ప్యాసింజర్ ఎస్ నాన్న, విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ద ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ మూవ్ అవుతున్నట్టు కనబడుతుంది. ఇది మన మోషన్ ఈజ్ రిలేటివ్ టాపిక్ ఉన్నది కదా, దానికి సూటబుల్ అన్న దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ యూ షుడ్ రైట్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఫేర్ నోట్స్. కాపీ చేయండి ఫేర్ నోట్స్ లో. అండ్ ధరణి వాంట్ దట్ ఆన్సర్, సో సెండ్ మీ దట్ స్టడీ మెటీరియల్ కాపీ, యూ సెండ్ మీ. ఓకేనా? Then Dharani will copy, or else I will write now. If you want means I will write the correct statements for this all. And the wheels of the train are in rotatory motion as well as in translatory motion when it moves. Yes, wheels of the train, rotatory motion as well as translatory motion. Is this correct? We have discussed about this yesterday. Rotatory by with respect. Yes, translatory ఎప్పుడు తెలుసా? With respect to the track. With respect to the track, translatory motion, and with respect to the train, wheel, these are, the wheel is moving rotation. So C is correct statement only, no need to correct. Is it correct, Yatishwar? Yatishwar? Yes, correct only. If Dharani is not able to write means I will write now, or else we will finish all those questions and afterwards we will send a photocopy to Dharani. Okay, na? Shravya, are you there, Nana? Shravya. Yes, very good. You also having a study material with you? I will send you photocopies. Okay, Nana. Second question. John tied a stone to a string and whirled it around. What type of motion do you find there? Whirled, Nana. Whirled means yes, rotation. What type of motion we can observe? Rotatory motion. And if we uh, thrown aside and leave one side లాగేసి వదిలేసిండు అనుకోండి, then it is oscillatory motion. At that time whirled means here rotatory motion. అలా కాకుండా లాగి వదిలేసాడు అనుకోండి, it is oscillatory motion at that time. And third question, what is the common to following motion of the propeller of a flying helicopter, the minute hand of the watch, the tape of cassette recorder? So all the examples are about translatory motion of flying helicopter. Yes, flying helicopter. Flying helicopter. Translatory and curvilinear motion. Yes. Helicopter, Nana. Curvilinear motion. Translatory motion. That one is helicopter. And next, uh, the minute hand of a watch. Yes. Propeller of a helicopter. Okay, Nana. That is, what is that? Translatory or yes, all, and consider here all about all they are asking, and correct statements we need to find out among these. Yes, individual గా చూడొద్దు, అన్ని వచ్చేలాగా చూడాలి. Yes, the minute hand of a watch, rotatory motion, and the tape of a cassette, rotatory motion. So all are the examples of what, Nana? Here C, statement C is correct. Yes, statement C among these three is correct. Yes. Here, propeller of a flying helicopter. That one only we need to consider. Okay. I am considering helicopter movement. Okay, that's why I am getting translatory and curvilinear motion I am telling. Next one, fourth answer. First one you write, Nana. And second one also you write. Which of the following is not an oscillatory motion? Motion of a hammer of an electric bell. Yes. And motion of your hand while running. Oscillatory కాంది చెప్పండి. Motion of a child on a seesaw. Yes, seesaw. And motion of a horse pulling a cart. Among these, which one is not an oscillatory motion? Anyone can tell? Horse pulling a car is not an oscillatory motion. Yes, it will pull one side only. Not come and throw. Front and back. Yes, upward and downward like that should be oscillatory. But it is different. Pulling is not. Bangarama. Rotatory nana, spinning top, rotatory. Rot Bongarame, spinning top. Ah, boomera. I don't know about that. What is that? Okay, okay, okay. And motion of a child on seesaw? Oscillatory only, na? Yes. Motion of your hand while running? Yes. Back, front. And motion of hammer of an electric bell? Yes. Auto it వెళ్తేనే kada bell. Yes, it is. This one is wrong statement. So not oscillatory means option D is correct here. And Arun completed uh, problems. Yes, who is third one? Motion of a child on a seesaw. 1, 2. You tick, okay na? You mark 1 and 2. Then afterward, 1 and 2 you write. Okay na? And these all are inka unne na problems we have here. Fifth one. Arun completed a 100-meter race in 60 seconds while Karthik finished it in 13 seconds. Who ran faster? So Arun problem nana. This fifth one is a problem. Arun completed. We will do. ఏమిచ్చాడు దీనికి ఆన్సర్? What is that fifth one I am telling? While Karthik. Yes, Nana. So like that they explained. Just we can compare and write the statement. We can compare and write the statement. Arun completed 100-meter race in 16 seconds. So same gada 100 meters in 16 seconds. And here also, yes, Nana, 100 meters 13 seconds. Yes, here speed of Arun is equals to compare చేస్తున్నా Nana. Comparison we are doing here. Okay na? Comparison. Speed of Arun is equals to distance by time. Yes, 100 meters by 16 seconds. Yes. Next is speed of what is the name? Karthik. So speed of Karthik is equals to 100 meters by 13 seconds. So here we'll get which one is which one is ఏది ఎక్కువ అనేది మనకి ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది స్పీడ్ 116. So 16 6 96. Yes, 4 is the remainder. Here we need to get a point. So here we need to put a 0. 16 2s 32 we'll get. So 8 is the remainder. We can place a 0 here. And 16 5s 80 we'll get. So 6.25 meter per second. And next 100 meters like that also statement la kuda rayochu ila kuda cheyochu kada dini 39. Yes, 13 7s are 91. Is it? 9 is the remainder. We can keep a point here and put a 0 here. What repeat Nana? ఒక్కసారి చెప్తే రెండు సార్లు వస్తుందా? ఇప్పుడు అంటే క్లారిటీ లేదా నానా? Keep your phones mute Nana. నాది ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదా? Okay, okay. Is it okay now? Okay. Okay. For me, you are not getting any problem. Yes? Okay, Nana. Okay. That's why I'm asking you. Next year, 13 nines are 13 nines are 13 table 117. Yes? So we'll get here 3 is the remainder. So here we got 7.69 meters per second. Dharani, which one is fast, Nana? Which speed is high here? Which speed is high? Dharani, which one is more speed? Among these, ఏది ఎక్కువ? 7.69 is more. So therefore Karthik moving fast. Karthik ran faster. Okay, na? Is it clear? Like that we can write. Yatishwar, keep your phones mute, Nana. Then you will get any disturbance. No disturbance. Ah, yes, fifth one also you write. You can do like this and workbook lo ichina statement. Kaad, Nana. First one, second one, fifth one. Till now. First, second, fifth I am telling. Okay, na? 1, 2, 5. You should write this in classwork. And a train runs from New Delhi to Hyderabad. It covers first distance of 420 kilometers in 7 hours and next distance of 360 kilometers in 6 hours. And Gopi takes a part in car race. It drives a distance of 70 kilometers each in the first and second and third hours. Which of the following statement is true? So here a train runs from New Delhi to Hyderabad. Is it visible to your screen reverse aina? Shreyansh? Shreyansh? Shreyansh leda? Why? For maths class he attended. Now also he joined. First I observed him. Now also he joined. A train runs from New Delhi to Hyderabad. It covers first distance of 420 kilometers in 7 hours and next distance in 360 in 2 speeds here. He changed it, Nana. This is non-uniform motion. Okay, na? First 420 kilometers 7 hours lo reach ayyadu. Next 360 kilometers. Yes, Nana. Here first one is non-uniform motion and Gopi takes a part in car race. He drives a distance of 70 kilometers each in the first, second and third. Always he follow same, Nana. So first one is non-uniform motion and second one is uniform motion. So here first is the example of non-uniform motion and second is an example of uniform motion. B is correct. Okay. Is this correct, Yatishwar? Second statement is correct. Statement B is correct among these. ఈయనేమో 2 times speed change చేశాడు కాబట్టి this is non-uniform. He always followed the same speed. That's why it is uniform motion. Statement B is correct. Next. Yes. And wrong and first one is also wrong kada. Second one is correct. Next, seventh one, write the motion of different parts of a bicycle while it is in motion. So write the motions of different parts. Dharani, so here the wheel. Sixth one Adunana, seventh one you write. That you can understand by seeing, no need to copy all this. From textbook only you can get this. And seventh one you write in your notebooks. Yes, Nana. Yes, like that only we should write. Here the wheel of the bicycle, rotatory motion. Avuna? Rotatory. Basic unit of speed. Yes? Kilo, not meter per second is the basic unit. Meter per second. The bicycle chain. Cycle chain, in which motion it is? Oscillatory. Cycle chain. Around that wheel. Rotatory motion. rotatory motion. So B what, Nana? The cycle chain. Cycle chain is in rotatory motion. And C, the pedal with its arm. Pedal with its arm. That is also, yes, రౌండ్ గా తిరుగుతుంది కదా తొక్కినప్పుడు రొటేటరీ మోషన్. పెడల్ విత్ ఇట్స్ ఆర్మ్, rotatory motion. Next one, option D. So the movement of the feet pedaling, the movement of the feet pedaling. Huh? Pedal is its arm. With its arm we are considering, Nana, feet pedaling, feet of the pedaling. Yes, think once, Venkateshwarlu. The movement of the rider along with bicycle, that is translatory motion. Translatory motion. Option D is a translatory motion. What is option D? Yes, Nana. Then afterwards we will discuss. And what about this feet pedaling? Oscillatory only, na? Oscillatory motion. And movement of the rider. Movement of the rider is translatory motion. Is under translatory motion. So this is enough. 7th one you write, Nana. Remaining we will see. Up to here you finish and keep with you. Okay. Here we have some more 2 or 3 problems. Here we have. These are all questions. Yes, Nana. Yes, 7th one. 11th one, 12th. 11th one. First, second, 5th, 1 to 5. And 7, 11, 12. 7, 11, 12. Not, Nana. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave, Nana. 5. 1, 2 and 5. 7, 11, 12. 12. Okay, na? Thank you, children. Thank you. Tomorrow we will see.